Hi, this is Morgan with WTI. As a vegetarian, I make a lot of salads, and having this Mueller veggie chopper has been such a huge time saver. It's super quick and easy to take out the blades and swap it out with the one you need for your recipe. It comes with 8 awesome blades, all with their own cases. The stainless steel blades are very high quality and very sharp, so it helps slice all those veggies in no time. I don't have great knife skills, so using this and getting uniformity with all of the veggie pieces is so awesome to have perfect bite-sized pieces. It's also nice that I can switch it out for the smaller dicing, especially for onions, so they can be little pieces instead of big, spicy chunks. It also comes with this cute little fork to help scrape any little bits and pieces left behind. If you'd like to slice or grate some veggies, simply pop off the top and add the attachment for the slicing and grating blades. It's super simple to slide it out and slide it right back in and snap it down, and there you go. So if you're a veggie lover like me, then you need this Mueller veggie chopper, and that's my point of view.